Birdwatching, a surprisingly powerful brain booster. New research confirms what many birders have long suspected. This seemingly gentle hobby isn't just relaxing, it actively reshapes the brain, offering significant cognitive benefits that can extend into old age. A 2026 study in the Journal of Neuroscience revealed that experienced birdwatchers exhibit measurable structural differences in brain regions associated with attention, perception, and memory compared to those with little to no birding experience. The science behind the benefits birdwatching demands more than casual observation. Experts learn to distinguish species through subtle visual cues, vocalizations, flight patterns, and preferred habitats. This constant integration of complex information forces the brain to adapt and strengthen itself, a process known as neuroplasticity. The study compared 29 expert birdwatchers to 29 novices using advanced brain imaging. Researchers measured mean diffusivity, an indicator of brain tissue density. Lower diffusivity correlates with more tightly packed, organized tissue, suggesting that dedicated birdwatching physically alters brain structure. Why it matters: cognitive reserve and aging. The affected brain regions' attention networks, visual processing centers, and memory systems are precisely those that typically decline with age. The research suggests birdwatching builds cognitive reserve, essentially a mental safety net. The more challenging mental activity you engage in, the more resilient your brain becomes against age-related decline. Older birders demonstrated improved memory recall when linked to their birding expertise, indicating that specialized brain pathways remain robust even as other cognitive functions slow. While diet is important, this study highlights the critical role of mental engagement in protecting brain health. What makes birdwatching unique? Not all hobbies offer the same cognitive advantages. Birdwatching stands out for three key reasons. Sustained learning. The pursuit of identifying new species, songs, and habitats provides continuous mental challenge. Nature exposure. Combining cognitive stimulation with the restorative effects of being outdoors maximizes benefits. Lifelong accessibility. Unlike physically demanding activities, birdwatching can be adapted to any age or fitness level. How to get started? You don't need expensive gear or exotic destinations to reap the rewards. Here's how to begin. Start simple. A backyard feeder or local park is sufficient. Focus on learning the names, songs, and behaviors of common birds. Utilize resources. Apps like Merlin Bird ID can aid identification, while field guides and local birding groups offer deeper knowledge. Embrace challenge. Once comfortable, expand your horizons. New habitats, song identification, maintaining a life list to push your skills. Be consistent. Even 20-30 minutes of focused birding several times a week yields cumulative benefits over time. Birdwatching isn't merely a peaceful pastime, it's an active form of brain training. The study confirms that your brain, like any muscle, grows stronger with consistent, challenging mental exercise.